This is the brief on automating your online income with World Profit. We're looking at a beginner-friendly shortcut bypassing tech struggles, combining automated traffic with a proprietary multi-commission system so literally anyone can launch a fully managed business with zero prior experience. First up, let's talk about the initial setup with the PointClickWealth system. It's 100% free to join, costs zero to set up, and takes just minutes to activate. Now, you might be wondering, is it really just point and click? Well, yeah, it is, thanks to AI Sophia. Think of her as your tireless 24/7 digital store manager. You simply hand her the keys, and she handles the pro landing pages and built-in traffic. Second, let's look at scaling that income. The system unlocks 18 different revenue sources across high-demand traffic platforms. You earn recurring monthly commissions, bonuses, and profits when members level up or buy ad packages. To put that into perspective, it's kind of like suddenly having 18 different cash registers ringing simultaneously in your store. Finally, let's connect those scaling mechanisms to the membership tiers. All commissions track automatically, but the rates vary significantly. Associates start at a 5% commission rate. Silver members get 20%, and Platinum VIP members jump to a massive 40%. Think about this. Upgrading to Platinum VIP means you're making exactly 8 times the commission of an associate for the exact same amount of automated traffic. Ultimately, combining AI Sophia's hands-off setup with World Profit's tiered 18-stream system gives you a fully automated, scalable business right out of the gate.